People, wagwan. What's up, people? What's up? Okay, thank you for joining this channel. You understand, guys? Thank you very much. I appreciate everyone that tuning into my channel. This is Teebone Toyota Crown 2. Let's see if Teebone have the tea hot in this song. This is a music video. But first, I want everyone to subscribe right now. Thank you very much for the subscribe, bro. And please go over my Instagram as well. I appreciate all of you guys. Let's get right into it right now, guys. We're gonna get right into it. Y'all know Toyota? Bro, Toyota fast as well, bro. Trust me. Like, Toyota fast. Comment which car faster than Toyota. Comment which car faster than a Toyota Crown. Which car? There's no car. There's no car. You see?
Yeah, she crown through SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC suite. Yo, country. Them think I pick the money about 8
You
mil
think I pick the money?
She be crown through SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC suite. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 mil feet.
You think I pick the money? Guys, go over Teebone right now and subscribe to his music, bro. He's tough, bro.
Just a love to keep me beard deep. And this a skater country, no I be a big T. Think I stage na PUBG when in take release. That's why me door, you know a suction. Panic, couple function, panic. Anyway, me pull up, girl, I bounce, pan, panic. Can't get left a road, run flat, panic. The express it, button, lift the shade, suck, pan, cut it. One tip, chanic. Cut through traffic, fully low.
Cut through traffic, bro.
Sunroof, panic. Exhaust load like your bus too matic. Me know it fast and jet. Yo, country come and we start one pet. Call to be my coulda call one X and put it on the track and me say all gone dead. Y'all jazz all wet. When she see me pull up now the crown and rest. 30 grand fully tank, blast car west. Collision sense and she be crown through SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like
bro, this crown is fast. From me sing about this crown, bro, it is fast. Faster than a jet, bro. You understand? Yes, even if you fling a stone, it's faster than how the stone is going. You understand, guys? Yes. Hey, guys, subscribe right now. This song is tough. Teebone. Gone with this.
AC sweet and I be my everyday this raising.
One crown.
The money about 8 mil feet.
You think I pick the money, bro? There's no pick the money in this crown. You understand, guys? Toyota Crown 2.
Just a luxury, keep my beard deep. And this a skater country, no I be a big T. Think I stage na PUBG when in take release. Automatic wipe up on the windshield. I'm trying to die the big niche. Watch out, lane assist me can't crash a big beast now. Playing a little made the clock here at least. Watch out, skater different up on the back wheel. It have athlete S, athlete G, hybrid press. Silent when we roll through.
Hey, I like the way how he like the visual. You understand in this video, it's tough. And how he sing the lyrics, guys, like kind of silent. It stand out. It stand out, bro. No cap. It stand out.
When it turn off, it's steering sliding back. And remember one come tight in that. Recliner seat, so me slide it back. What kind of cheap? 5 mil cash. Which be my feeling one size with that. Is a high risk that from a past when I sight him back. Done it all in a 5 minute stops, headlight bright, lightning flash. The crown through SBT, AC sweet. In the comfortable like down a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this raise increase. Think I pick the money about 8 mil feet. My just a luxury, keep my beard deep. And this a skater country, no I be a big T. Think I stage na PUBG when in take release. That's how me door, you know a suction. Panic couple function, panic.
Yeah, he even say do not slam the door. Yo, he respect his crown. He respect his crown. People follow me on Instagram right now if you think this crown is fast, bro.
Anyway, me pull up, girl, I bounce, pan, panic. Can't get left a road, run flat, panic. The express it, button, lift the shade, suck, pan, cut it. One tip, chanic. Cut through traffic, fully loaded with the sunroof, panic. Exhaust load like a bus too matic.
Yo, Teebone gone with this. Start drifting, bro. You should drift the crown at that part, bro. I know the crown could drift. Guys, you already the end of the video. You understand? Thank you very much. This is Silk Reacts. The only Reacts, the best Reacts channel out there. Bro, which car faster than this Crown? No Toyota, bro. This is a Toyota itself, bro. There's no Nissan, no BMW, no Jet. Not even a racing car faster than this Crown. No cap, guys. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. People, I'm out.